G'day, Glenn Morris here from the Smart Energy Lab. On day one at SNEC, it's amazing. This place is just going off. And I'm at the WHES stand, WHES. Now WHES, not a brand that you probably know a lot about in Australia, but they're coming in a big way. I'll have some of these at my lab soon. I'll be doing some unboxing and install videos. These units come in single and three phase. So they've got a single phase unit, which is in a 3.6 to 6 kilowatts. A nice unit for your small residential single-phase installations, but the battery capacity can go from 8 to 32 kilowatt hours in different battery modules. So each of these battery modules is 8 kilowatt hours and they're stackable. Very nice looking all-in-one display here with the battery and a separate inverter. And here we've got the all-in-one three-phase system. So this comes in 5 to 15 kilowatts, but the storage capacity also in units of 8 kilowatt hours. So each battery module is 8 kilowatt hours, giving up to 32. Really a very nice combination for the Cheaper Home Batteries program in Australia. The other thing I really like about these WHES units is they're stackable. There's no wires to connect. Really, if you can lift things, you can install these. And they're not massive batteries either, so two people can comfortably lift these batteries and stack them up. So the key message really is ease of install. That's stackability for you. The range of sizes to suit the customer's requirements, like 8, 16, 24, 32, and single or three phase. It covers the lot. So I'm excited to see more of the WHES units coming to Australia. Check it.